Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm here to explain you the summer vacation task of OS 5. But before explaining this task, it is very much important to tell you that you have to do all the summer vacation task on loose sheets. And the other important thing is this, that students will be given marks which will be aggregated in the final exams. Um, First of all, we'll explain computers work. For computers, what you have to do, you have to write small notes on early computing devices, but make sure to write these notes in MS Word and take a print. Same you have to do with the input and output devices. You have to write their names and in MS Word and take print. Next, you have to make a model of keyboard with the help of thermocol. Make sure that it must be a model of keyboard with a very prominent keys. Then you have to draw a flow chart of computer memory, and for this you can take help from book page number 17. Good luck, students. um, for science, what you have to do, you have to make a model of heart, lungs and brain with the help of thermocol. For this you can take help from your book. Next you have to draw and label a digestive system. Then you have to make an animal kingdom, and for this you can take help from book page number 20. Then you have to draw a mammal, a reptile, a bird, a fish, an arthropod, and an echinoderm, like starfish. Next, you have to paste a picture of your favorite food and you have to write its recipe. Oh, that's an exciting work, students. Next, you have to draw germination of seeds step by step. But for this work, you have to use the heart chart. And for the previous work I have mentioned, you have to do all those on loose sheets. um, Next is English. For English, what you have to do, you have to write 150 words on the each given topic, and the topics are my plans for vacations. Next is how we save earth, and the next topic is how knowledge is power. Make sure you have to write on how knowledge is power, not knowledge is power. Like knowledge is power is something else and you have to explain how it is power. Next, it is written that you have to write fibbles on the morals. With morals. Three greedy friends. Honesty always pays. Like you have to write on the given stories on the given topics. Next, we have some reader work. The reader name is the man in the iron mask, and you have to read the chapter number 3 and 4, and you have to do all the activities of these chapter on the activity book. And the pages are mentioned: page 12, 13, 14, 16, 17 and 18. Now for maths, we have been given some questions here and we have to solve all these questions. And for solving, we will be provide you some links, and you have to follow all those links and solve these questions. And here we have a model. Like in question number 2, you have been given a model of ascending and descending order, and you have to make this model using thermocol, heart chart, of whatever the thing of your choice. In question number 1, you have to find out the place value of the following number. In question number 3, you have to expand the numbers. Here in question number 4, you have to write the predecessor and the successor of the following. Then you have to write the given numbers in words. Then you have to solve the following problems. In question number 7, you have to take away 500 from each of the following value. Then you have to perform division. In the next question, you have to write these values vertically and then you have to multiply. In question number 10, you have to use the mass rule and to solving these questions. Next, you have to factorize the following number. Then you have to find out HCF of the following and LCM of the following. And then you have been given something, some problem words here. All you can solve these by the links we will send you, and you have to understand the concept from there, and you will solve all these questions. For S studies, what you have to do, you have to write question answers of chapter number 1, understanding our word maps on loose sheets, and then you have to write question answers of chapter number 2, crossing the sea exploration. And the only activities there, you have to draw a road map of the area you live in, label important buildings and the places. Like in whatever area you are living, you have to draw a road map of that area, and any of the and you have to draw any of the famous building over there. Or if it is not important or famous, then there is no problem, you can draw a school or a hospital or anything there. Now we will discuss some Islamiyat work. You have been given 3 questions in Islamiyat. Number 1, make a booklet of Ahadith Nabawi, at least 20 Ahadith. Like you have to make a booklet and write 20 Ahadith on that booklet. Next, you have to write any 2 incidents of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him's life. And you are instructed to learn all the given notes and do some written practice. Now we'll discuss some of the Urdu work. For उर्दू आपने रोज़ाना अखबारात और किताबों का मुताला करना है. कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स गिवन है: नौनिहाल, हमदर्द, अम्बिया कराम की कहानियाँ. दूसरा, आपने रोज़ाना की सरगर्मियाँ एक डायरी में लिखनी है. यानी आपकी कुछ भी एक्टिविटी जो आप परफॉर्म करते हैं डेली रूटीन में, उनमें से कोई एक आप अपनी डायरी में लिख सकते हैं. मुख्तलिफ अल्फाज चुनकर इनके जुमले बनाएं, कम से कम 5. यानी कि आप कोई से भी अल्फाज चुनें और उस एक लफ्ज़ के 5 जुमले बनाएं. उसके बाद मुख्तलिफ मुहावरात चुनकर इनके मानी और जुमले लिखें, कम से कम 15. यानी कि आपने 15 मुहावरात और उनके मानी लिखकर उनके जुमले बनाने हैं. वाहिद जमा अल्फाज मुतरादिफ अल्फाज मुतज़ाद मुज़क्कर के मोनस 20-20 लिखने हैं. ये आपकी अपनी चॉइस है, आप कोई से भी 20-20 लिख सकते हैं. उसके बाद आपको कुछ इनवानात दिए गए हैं. इन इनवानात में से आपने तख्लीकी लिखाई करनी है. मेरी पसंदीदा शख्सियत, मौसम गर्मा, मैं क्या बनना चाहती थी या बनना चाहता था. उसके बाद एक इंस्ट्रक्शन गिवन है, नमाज की पाबंदी करें. ये तमाम काम आपने अपने नोटबुक्स पर नहीं बल्कि लूज शीट्स पर करने हैं, और आपके इस काम के मार्क्स आपके फाइनल एग्ज़ाम्स में एग्रीगेट होंगे. Dear students, you will be provided the links of the important topics of your summer vacation task. Hopefully, you will find all the question answers of the query you have been facing, or all of your queries will be entertained there. Good luck.